Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how to apply the Moitié 10-day lashes. So the first step is to cleanse your eyes of any makeup or residue that may be on your lashes. So I'm going to be using the Moitié Foaming Lash Wash, and this is just going to get rid of anything I have around my eyelashes, on my eyelashes, so that when the glue sticks, it's not going to stick to anything that it shouldn't stick to. So the next step is to curl your eyelashes. You don't have to do this step, it's an optional step, but it does give your lashes a little bit of a curl if they're super straight, which for some people might make it easier to apply. So the next step is the fun part. You can choose which eyelashes you want to apply to your eyes this time. So Moitié have a huge range of eyelashes. They go from super natural to really dramatic, and you can choose whichever one you fancy. So for this next part, you're gonna need your tweezers, and these are the rose gold Moitié tweezers, which are amazing for application. And then we have the hypoallergenic glue, and this is what's going to attach your eyelashes to the false eyelashes. So to apply your eyelashes, what you need to do is just put a little bit of glue either on your packaging somewhere, or because of the tip of the glue, you can just apply it straight to the segment. So that's probably what I'm going to do. So if we're looking at the box this way, straight on, the right is going to go on my right eye and the left is going to go on my left eye. So I'm going to start the furthest segment away, which is my right outer corner. So all you do is take the segment from the packaging. So just do a little swipe of the glue on the eyelash like that. And then what you want to do is take the segment and swipe it firstly across the part of your eyelash that you're about to apply it to. And then once you've done that, you can just place it where you want the eyelash to be. And then you just simply clamp it down, and that's it. All you need to do after that is just place the rest of the segments, and that's all there is to it. It's so easy. Also, another top tip that I would give you is to wipe down your tweezers after every time you clamp, just so that they don't get stuck together. And when you apply the lashes, you want to apply them as close as you can to your natural lash line without touching your eyelid if possible. If you do touch your eyelid, you can always just wipe it off with some makeup remover. And you want to place the segments really close to each other, like they're holding hands. Okay, so I finished one eye. I'm going to use the 10-day Super Lash Seal, and you just apply this like a mascara, and all it does is helps the longevity of your lashes, and it also helps the bond dry quicker. Okay, so I'm pretty much there. All I want to do now is put on a little bit more makeup because I feel like my eyes are there. I just need the rest of my face to be there. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, I'm done. I am totally finished with my eyes. I'm so happy with them. I think they look really nice, and they were so easy to apply, and they're also really easy to remove. So although they do last 10 days, if you leave them and wash them with water, as you normally would in the shower and everything, they will stay on. But if you do want to remove them, then Moitié do a special lash removal gel, or you can use an oil-based makeup remover, and that will get rid of the glue, and then you can just glide them off really easily and they come off. So that is how you apply Moitié's 10-day lashes. I hope you found this video useful, and that's it from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.